Hey guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well with the grace of Almighty Allah. May Allah's blessing upon all of you, who is the King of King, who is the Lord of Lord. Guys, today I'm gonna share you how to make zarda rice at home. It's very simple and quite easy recipe which I will share with you guys. Zarda basically traditional sweet dish of Pakistan. Today I am making basic zarda recipe. The base of the zarda rice is almost the same, but you can add different things and different colors to make it more rich. So without wasting any time, let's go for the recipe. Stay tuned. So viewer, let's go for the final look of the zarda. Wow, it looks so amazing, so yummy. Great. It's time for us to take it out in serving dish and decorate it. Guys, you can add sweets like gulab jamun, khoya, tutti frutti and make it more delectable. Our zarda recipe is ready now. Guys, do try this and share results with me in comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this recipe link with your friends and family. So guys, see you soon with new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.